Welcome back, fourth grade readers and writers. We are at ELA School Away from School, and I'm your virtual teacher, Mrs. Ewing. All right, we've been spending some time together, right? And we've been having fun doing it. I'm sure you've had a great time with me as we really tried to think about the process of ratifying the 19th Amendment, how it inspired others to make just big decisions and movements to help all have equality. And then now we're thinking about how students can take action, and maybe you're even getting inspired to take action yourself. So we're in week 8, daily lesson 36. Our guiding questions are, what can we learn from the process of ratifying the 19th Amendment? How can stories inspire us to take action to contribute to a better world? And how and why can we encourage and support others to contribute to a better world? All right, materials we're going to need today. You'll need your text, Chicago March Lets Kids Speak Up About the Future of the World. You're going to need lesson 36 and your lesson 36 note catcher, along with a sharpened pencil. All right, pause this again. Go grab your materials and be right back. All right, we have our materials, which are our tools we need today. So let's get started and look at our learning target. I can explain events, ideas, and concepts in a historical text, including what happened and why. So today, as you reread, I really want you to think about the events, the ideas, and the concepts, how they are connected, and maybe what's happening and why. With your family member, a caregiver, or a friend, reread this text. Chicago March Lets Kids Speak Up About the Future of the World. Now, don't forget, on daily lesson 34, I actually read this aloud. So if you want to hear it read aloud, feel free to go back to daily lesson 34. But if not, reread this with a family member, a caregiver, or a friend. All right, pause this video and do that now. All right, great. All right, so let's do some thinking. Who took action in this article? What problem was he or she or they trying to address? How did he, she, or they take action? And how did this action make a difference? All right, pause this video and think about this now. All right, great. So let's do some talking. Let's discuss this. So with a family member, a caregiver, or a friend, talk about the following questions. Who took action in this text? Pause this video and talk about it now. Great, so the students did, right? So we saw a group of 5 students. All right, so once you look at this next question, talk about it. What problem was he, she, or they trying to address? Pause this video and talk about it now. Good. All right. So they all had some different problems that they were trying to address, but they called it the 3 E's, right? Do you remember those 3 E's? What were the 3 E's? Education, environment, and equality. Good. All right. So now I want you to go in and I want you to talk about how did they take action? Pause this video. Talk about it now. All right. Great. Now talk about how did this action make a difference? Pause the video, talk about it now. Awesome. And how can their actions inspire others? All right, pause this video, talk about it now. All right, so we've read our article, we've thought about our article, we've talked about our article. You know what's coming up next. What's next? We're gonna write, yes. All right, so let's look at our lesson 36 note catcher. At the top, you're gonna tell me in that first box, who took action? What problem was he, she, or they trying to address? How did he or she take action? How did this action make a difference? And then I want you to tell me what source this was taken from, which would be the same for all of us, right? It was from our article. So when we do research a lot of times, or we dig in, a lot of time we have sources, which is where we get our information. All right, pause this video and go ahead and do your writing now. All right, great. Let's look at our learning target again. I can explain events, ideas, and concepts in a historical text, including what happened and why. All right, today we really looked at what happened and why did it happen, right? Who felt passionate about a problem and how did they take action and what was the result, right? All right, great job. High five. All right, now share your writing with someone. Tell them why you chose to write what you did. After you complete your assignment, remember to read a book for how long? 20 minutes. And then you have that fluency practice. So you're going to time yourself for a minute. Cell phone timer, kitchen timer, have someone count to 60 anyway, but you want to time yourself for a minute. Count the words you read, write that number at the top of the text. All right, thank you guys so much for your hard work, and I will see you, that's right, tomorrow.